Hi students, I hope that you all are doing well. We are continuously following the sequence of SPT. This is our nth video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to talk about relational, Boolean logical operators. So just now we have completed arrays, then entered into operators. In your last video lecture, I explained types of operators that are there in Java programming language. So in this video lecture, this is the content: relational operators, Boolean logical operators, example. We will see about relational operators and Boolean logical operators with example. Relational operator. So just we will study the definition of relational operators here. A relational operator compares two values and determines the relationship between them. For example, not equal returns true if it is two operands are unequal. Relational operators are used to test whether two values are equal, whether one value is greater than another, and so forth. So especially relational operator we are using to compare one operand to another operand, which is greater and which is equal or not, greater or not, less than or not. So for comparative purpose, compares two values. For comparative purpose, we are using relational operators. Okay, I hope that you understand. So now here, operator equals checks if the value of two operands are equal or not. Look at here example. Just so actually this example should be here. Anyway, but this PPT is come up because I am using WPS Office to record these videos. So anyway, I will clear it. Actually, this is example. Okay, this example. So forget about this. This example. Forget about this. This example. So we are using equal operator. We are talking about relational operator. How relational operators we are using in Java programming language. Okay. Many types of relational operators are there. Among them, we are going to study each and every operator in detailed manner, which comes under relational operator category. First one is the equal to. So A equal to B, it means is it not true if else then condition become true. Okay. So when you want to compare equal to means this is a comparison, both are equal or not. Both are equal or not. Actually this is true. A equal to B, it is a true. Okay. If not equal to, check if the value of two operands are equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition become true. Yes. If this value and B value, A value are not equal, then this condition is true. When the A value, B value are not equal, but if you are using so I will show here. A equal to B means A value, B value should be same, then only this one is right. B A value 10 and B value 20, then both are not equal, so it is not true. Okay, just A value 10, B value 20, it is true because A not equal to B. This is the not equal to symbol. Next, greater than. So A greater than B, no, it's not true because A less than B, less than B. Okay, A less than B. So that's why it is not true. Okay, this is the comparison symbol, greater than symbol. Next, less than. less than simple. Okay, again A less than B. Okay, next A less than is true. Is it true? As A less than B is true. Okay, A less than B is true. Forget about this. Okay, forget about this. A less than B. A less than, so you may not get any confusion here. Okay, so actually just I want to strike up that, no need to focusing on that. Let's look at here. Less than symbol we were talking about in relation operator. So A less than B, as it is true. Just I am mentioning true only, thus it is true. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, so this is the greater than or equal to, not true, because A value 10, B value 20, A not greater than or equal to B. Okay, next less than or equal to, as it also may because may or not. So less than or equal to, yes, B is maybe. So what we have seen, this is the first we have seen equal to symbol, then we seen not equal to symbol, then we have seen less than, greater than equal to, less than or equal to. These all are relational operator symbol. So for comparing our two operands we are using, okay, a small program in Java programming language, small program that gives the concept about relational operator. Public less than sim example, public static void string aux, int A equal to 10, int B equal to 10. Okay, both int A equal to 5, okay, nice, int B is equal to 10, okay. If condition A less than B, have given the condition, system.out.println A less than B, yes. Okay, A is there, A value 5, B value 10, as definitely A less than B. Then if A less than B, system.out.println A is less than B, yes, right. What is the output? We'll get the, so the output is, it will give the output A is system.out.println, okay, A is less than B, is less than B. This is the output. Okay, so it is using for what? Comparing two symbols. So what is the relation operator here? A less than B, it is the relation operator. This is the relation operator. So let's talk about Boolean logical operator. Boolean logical operator. See there the Boolean logical operator, logical AND, logical OR, logical XOR, short circuit OR, short circuit AND, logical NOT, AND assignment, OR assignment, XOR assignment, equal to, not equal to, ternary, if then else. These all are Boolean logical operators. Boolean logical operators. So logical operators, all of you know about that. Logical operators, AND operators, OR operator, okay, and OR operators, and implies and by implies operators are there. So AND operator, OR operator, okay, and implies and by implies, it will give the different outputs based on their input logically. So now we will see the Boolean logical operators, their truth table. So all are given here. It is A, it is B, it is OR operator, AND operator, implies negative. Okay, and OR operators. So here, when in AND operator, it talks about AND operator. Actually, you won't know about this clearly. In AND operator, when the both are true, then only it will true. remaining all the conditions, it will not true. I will show you. That means both are having the same input, it will gives the output. Otherwise, it will not give the any output. Look at here. What is the logical operators? First one is AND operator. First one is AND operator. A and B. A and destinate. So all of the binary logical operators combine two Boolean values to form a result Boolean value. The logical Boolean operators AND or an XOR operator on Boolean values in the same way that they operate on bits of an integer. The following table shows the effect of each logical operation. Look at here. Here A and B, two inputs are there, and based on these inputs output will be there. First we consider about this is the OR operator, this is the AND operator, this is the XOR operator, this is the negation operator. Okay, I hope that it is clear once again. It is a OR operator, it is a AND operator, it is a XOR operator, it is a negation operator. When the input falls and second input also false, we are giving two inputs, this and this side, and both are false and false. What is the output? In OR, again it will produce false only. False only. Once again, now we are talking about both A and B, they both are inputs, okay, both are input are both or F false means the output also false. Apart from both A and B, A, B are there, here F and F are, both are F, then output will be F. Apart from this case, here remaining all cases, apart from this case, remaining all cases, the output is true. Output is true. Look at here. Only when both inputs are false, then only output will be false. But remaining all are true only. Even though one is true, second one is false. One is false, second one is true, and true and true. In all the cases, output is true except false. Both are false. This is an OR operator. And then we will see next AND operator. AND operator A, B both are false, then what is the answer? False only. So what we have to observe here, when the A and B false in false, okay, then one more thing is, that is the only condition. So try to understand here. Here is the one more condition is there, that I will tell you that condition. I don't want to talk about F and F. If A and B both are, this is true and this is true, then automatically output is true. Okay. This case only the output is true, remaining all cases output is F only, all. It is quite opposite of OR operator. Now OR operator, when both are false, FF, then output will be false. Apart from that, remaining all cases, output will be true only. But in AND case, not like that. In AND case, when both are false, it will fall. But when both are true, then only true. Remaining all cases, it is false. That means what? When both are true, answer is true. Remaining all cases, answer is false. It is quite opposite to the OR operator. In OR operator, only both are false. The output is false, remaining all cases true. But the AND operator, when both are true, it is true, but remaining cases all are false. This is about AND operation and OR operation, operator and AND operator. So you will see XOR operator. In XOR operator, false, false. Okay, when both are true, again false. So both are true, then it's true. Both are false. Sorry, both are true, then it will false. Both are false, then it will false. But one true, one false is true. One false, one true is true. What you are seeing here. So this is the A and false, then R operator false. One true, one false is true. One false, one true is true, and both are trues are false. So try to understand one thing. In XOR case, when the both inputs are same, the output is false. When the one input is different from another input, then the output is true. I hope that you understand. I am talking about XOR. In XOR, we have take two inputs. So two inputs are same, then output will be false. If two inputs are different, the output will be true. This is the XOR. Then negation. Negation always quite opposite of the input. If it is true, then it's false. It is false, it is true. It is true, it is false. It is false, it is true. Simple. A true, negation of A is false. If A false, negation of A is true. It's quite opposite of that one. Quite opposite of that one. These are the logical operations and their truth table. This is called a truth table. Logical operator and truth table. Now we'll see here same concept. Sir, you are explaining everything in a concept way. So how can we write as concept into program? So this is the program, the sample program. How a logical operators perform the operations in a programming way. So these are the questions. For last, A is true and B is false. These two both are the two inputs. So system.out.println A or B. This is OR operator. Okay. When the OR operator, A is true and B is false, what is the answer? Answer is true only. Why? Because it is a OR operator. It will print the true OR operator. Because next one is the this one condition. This one A B. A is just a match. What is telling me is true and B is false. Okay. What is the answer? Simple answer is false. Why? Because except true condition, remaining all conditions are false in a AND table. So this is a true, false or false only. Next A and B. Next this one negation. If A is, just imagine A is true, just A is true. What is negation A? False. If A is false, what is the negation A? True. Simple. Quite opposite of the A. Negation A is quite opposite of A. That we have to understand. Okay. Now we will see about, So last one is XOR operator. True, false. Then answer is true. False, true. Then answer is true. When both inputs are same, it may be F or T. When the both inputs are same, then null output is F. Remaining two cases, that is TF or FT. Remaining two cases. This is a true. This is a XOR operator. It is XOR operator. So till now, we have seen about relational operators. Okay, about what we have seen about relational operator. These are the relational operator: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the relational operator. As a small program comparing of the A less than B, okay, in relational operator programming. And then a billion logical operators we have seen AND, OR, XOR, okay, short circuit OR and short circuit and logical unary. These are the different types of Boolean logical operators. And also we have seen the truth table of Boolean logical operators, when the both inputs are same, and what type of output will get in the OR operator, and what type of output will get in the AND operator, what type of output will get the XOR operator. We have seen regarding of all things. So thank you so much for watching. So thank you so much.